Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. It's Juliet here again. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make spaghetti and chicken sauce using chopped cup tomatoes in basil and oregano leaves. This particular brand of chopped tomatoes always take my spaghetti sauce to a whole new level. It's so yummy, guys. You need to give it a try. So as you can see, I have already chopped my chicken into tiny pieces just to quicken the whole process before I start cooking. And then now I'm cutting my peppers, the red and green bell peppers, the chili peppers, onion and garlic. And before I started cutting these peppers, I already put water on fire for our pasta. So once the water starts boiling, I'll get to the pasta. Yeah, this particular pasta and chicken sauce is actually my favorite. I tried it the very first time and man, I have never prepared my pasta in any other way again. I always go for this chopped tomatoes in basil and oregano leaves seasoning. It's so good. So good, guys. You need to give it a try for real. Like I'm saying it the second time because it's that good. Yeah. So now I'm just chopping up the pepper. And now the water is ready, as you can see. So I will be adding vegetable oil and some salt into the boiling water. And after that, I'll break in my spaghetti. I actually like breaking my spaghetti into 2 equal halves. I don't like cooking it as it's long like that. And then I'll cover to cook for 5 minutes. But I stir it first. I'm covered to cook for 5 minutes to avoid them sticking together. And the next step is to heat a saucepan and add little vegetable oil. Then I'll add my chicken pieces and I'll begin to stir fry the chicken pieces for 2 to 3 minutes. I just give my spaghetti another stir to ensure that they are not marrying themselves in there. Yeah. So now I'll be stir frying this chicken pieces for about 3 minutes approximately. I don't want it to be overcooked, but before I take it down, I'll season it with some curry powder, thyme, and a little bit of salt. I'm always very stingy with my salt because, as we all know, a salty meal is not healthy. So yeah, I'll just stir fry the chicken till it's looking a little bit darker or golden brown per se, as you can see. And then I'll be taking it off the heat, setting it aside, and onto that same saucepan I'll be adding vegetable oil, allowing it to heat, and then saute onion and garlic, the chopped garlic. I'll be sauteing them for a while. And now I just added the chili pepper and I'm adding the almighty chopped tomatoes. At this moment, my kitchen was already smelling so good. So good. Now I just seasoned it with some curry powder, the remaining salt, although I added a little, but I'll be testing it later. And now I'm adding the chicken pieces so the tomato can mix with the chicken and the chicken will ensure they will marry themselves. So I can get a taste of the tomato sauce in the chicken pieces. And now I'm adding the remaining vegetables. And by the way, guys, our spaghetti is ready. I've turned off the heat. So Kai, this is looking so beautiful right now. So beautiful. And now I'm just stirring these, giving it a good stir so everything can combine. And I'll be cooking these for about 8 minutes on medium high heat. I like cooking my bell peppers till they are a little bit tender, because some members of my family don't like it when it's crunchy. So yeah, that's it. And now, as you can see, everything is ready. The spaghetti is ready and our sauce is ready. I cooked the sauce for 8 minutes, guys, so never forget that. And now this is looking so good, and I'll be adding the sauce to the spaghetti and I'll be giving it a quick taste. Isn't this looking so good, guys? It's even more delicious than it looks. More delicious than it looks. Please, guys, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share this video. And if you try out this recipe anytime, guys, please send me pictures. I'll leave my other social media handles in the description box. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Until I come your way next time, do have a lovely day. Bye, guys.